Okay, as you can see, I started taking it apart. It's about from noon, about 7 hours later. Okay, because the one that was remaining inside the container, it was hard as hell. So I said, you know what, this thing could come apart, and I'm taking it apart. But I've noticed one thing is that this mold is a one-time use. You got to throw it away because it's stuck really. It takes everything off, you know, like right here, and I've noticed a few imperfections, which is okay because I'm going to touch them up. Like here, there's a little bit. There's missing a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. But I didn't put the top sheet of fiberglass cloth yet. There's another little bit here. So I'm going to do that as separately, and I'm glad I didn't put it in. I was wondering, you know, because it's so thick, I said I might get bubbles near the top, and I'm going to have to touch up. I prefer the bubbles underneath than on top. So now I can make a nice liquid new adhesive and pour it all in, and then put the fiberglass cloth and remove all the air, and it's going to become a beautiful finish at the top. I mean, if I were to use strictly liquid like a lot of people do, just, you know, nothing really inside it, it would have poured, it would have been a nice clean finish, but I wanted it solid. And you can tell under here, you got the fiberglass tape for joints in chiprock. Under here, you got that heavy duty fiber, the very thick stuff. Inside here, you can't even see it, but there's several coats of this one. And inside the mix, I have sand, I have chopped up fiberglass cloth. So it's solid. That's one thing I'm sure of, it's solid. And I can tell that the coil is pretty well good. A bit showing here, but like I said, that's all going to be covered. And when I remove it here, the mold, or the jig, mold, whatever you want to call it, this will all come off because I put some Teflon tape over the threads on the outer side. The inner side, I roughed up the threads with a high-speed grinder. I made crisscrosses in it, so it's going to really be stuck in the epoxy. So I'm going to take it out of the mold, and we'll see how the other side of it is, and I'll give you more footage later.